Dan Bueno of Red Vices PH, and welcome everyone sa Nature Vibe Bundok Ilog Volume 3. So this is a ride and camp motorcycle event. First of all, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga brands na kasama natin ngayon, lalo't lalo sa Axor Helmets Philippines, ang ating name partner. So Nature Vibe as a brand of event ay nag-umpisa year 23-24. Diyan tayo nag-start. And it started out as a group of riders na gusto lang naman talaga naming mag-ride sa bundok, magkaroon ng chill venue and everything. So 2 weeks preparation, nag-open invite kami sa classic community, and nagkaroon tayo ng 70 na participants. So what we're expecting lagi is to make this bigger and bigger every year. Nature Vibe nga pala, may dalawang versions. Nature Vibe Alon, which is nasa beach yon, and then Nature Vibe Bundok Ilog, which is in the midst of the mountains, and of course with a river.
This is Axor Red Vices Nature Vibe Bundok Ilog Volume 3! Palakpakan natin!
We're just expecting na mag-chill tayo ngayon dito. Now we have 160 registrants. Wala pa dun yung mga sponsors natin and the staff. We started the day to announce na meron tayong meet up at 6 a.m. Kaninang umaga, nag-meet ang mga riders natin sa Cape Sinauna, which is also our partner, si Cape Sinauna, along Marilaki Highway. So, after that, 7 a.m. or actually parang mas napaaga pa, nag-ride out na tayo. So, after ng Manukan, kaliwa tayo Santa Ines, and para makapunta dito sa Field and Stream campsite, we have to cross 2 rivers to be here, and medyo wild yung experience dahil sa mga bato, pero mababa yung tubig ngayon. And after that, we settled, we pitched our tents, tapos nag-ready na tayo ng mga sarili natin, and everyone is really eyeing for a very fun blast experience sa araw na to and for this weekend. And this is gonna be a blast. We promised everyone na mag-i-enjoy, hindi kami papayag na walang maiuuwi na merch, na memories, na experience yung mga nagsusupport and pumupunta sa ating mga participants. And also, nag-prepare tayo ng fun ride. So, meron tayong venue dito sa Field and Stream campsite. Para siyang isang island. Nasa gitna siya ng dalawang streams. So, nandun yun. So, we have multiple categories na pwede natin i-cater. Of course, lady riders, scramblers, scooters, cruisers, open category, kung meron mga big bikes, Venduros. So yun yung mga magpa-fan ride for this event. And we promised na magkaroon tayo ng prize kung sino man yung magka-come up stronger sa lahat ng categories na to. And of course, lahat yun ay sponsored ng ating mga brands na kasama dito. Once again, maraming salamat for being here. All About Wheels Manila, and this is Dan of Red Vices Philippines. I hope na we can see you every year sa Nature Vibe. Maraming salamat po. Kita-kits.